Yeah, hello. One greetings to my dear brothers and sisters. This is the beginning of the process, which you can see all, and we all into the laboratory where the node has been cleaning, and all the stamps is been removing. We do require the first weight chemical to apply on this node for all stamps removal and for all cleaning of ideology for a first aid weight node. So I will be kindly, if you're happy, we do invite each and everyone who is interested to come to the laboratory to get more experience, to inspect, and also we do tests. If you are interested to protest, we do give you a sample of it, and for you to check, for you to visit any infinity, you can go to the bank, to the airport, to the supermarket. Yes, because once it has been cleaning here at the lab, it is 100% useful, which you can use worldwide, anywhere that you go. Once more, if you need more information, please contact us and we will deliver